Understanding words resonate, a guide to expressive language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting and expressive phrase, words resonate. We'll explore what it means, how it's used, and why it's a powerful tool in communication. So, let's get started and discover the impact of words that resonate. Words resonate refers to the idea that certain words or phrases have a strong impact on us. They echo in our minds and create a deep emotional response. This isn't just about understanding the literal meaning of the words, but feeling their effect on an emotional or personal level. It's similar to how a particular song might strike a chord in your heart. Words can do the same. To better understand this concept, let's look at some examples. Motivational speeches. When a speaker uses phrases that deeply inspire or motivate us, we say their words resonate. Poetry and literature. Poets and authors often craft their words to resonate with readers, evoking feelings of joy, sadness, or nostalgia. Personal conversations. Sometimes, a friend might say something that deeply relates to your experience. You might respond, "Your words really resonate with me." Words that resonate have tremendous power. They can inspire change. Strong, resonant words can motivate people to take action or see things differently. Create connections. Sharing words that resonate can build deeper understanding and empathy between people. Leave a lasting impact. Often, words that resonate stick with us long after they are spoken or read. How can we use resonating words effectively? Be authentic. Words resonate more when they are genuine and heartfelt. Understand your audience. Knowing who you are speaking to helps in choosing words that will resonate with them. Be expressive. Using metaphors, stories, and expressive language can make your words more impactful. We hope this exploration of words resonate has been enlightening. Remember, the power of language lies not just in what we say, but how it touches the hearts and minds of others. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find the right words that resonate with your audience. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.